Hi students, good morning to all. Today we are going to learn how to use Paint. Okay, and before I just want to give a recapitulation for how to use calculator. Okay, now let's get into the session. Once you open your computer, okay, you may just click a start button. Okay, it will appear like this. Okay, the screen will appear like this. In that you may just select where the calculator is there. You may just find out and then click it. Okay, yeah, we done. And once you click that calculator, the application will be open on the screen. Okay. In that application title bar, okay, the symbols, the icons are mentioned in that. That is a minimize, that is a maximize, okay, and then that is a close. The into symbols denoted the close. Okay, and now let me start to calculate how to practice in that calculator. Okay, I just want to click 2. If you are on, so you click the number, whatever you want to click in that number, it will automatically display on that calculator applications screen. Okay, I just click 2 and I want to do addition sum, so I just make a plus symbol. Okay, click and then 3. So if you want to need answer, right, so you may just click equal to. So finally, eventually you will get answer of that 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Clear? Once you get the answer, you may just close that. C is appear in that screen, right? You may just click it. Okay. And let me practice into next sum. I just want to click 6 and then again I go for plus symbol, click, and then I just want to click again 6. So 6 plus 6, we need that answer. So equal to, click equal to, what answer we will get? Yes, 12. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Whatever you want to word, you're typing in that screen, it will appear in that calculator file. Okay. And next sum, I just want to click 4. Yes. And then plus. Yes. And next I just want to click 5. Yes. Now we need that answer. So equal to, you may just click equal to, the answer will be displayed on the screen. Okay. Next close it. Again next let's get into for the next sum. And now let me try subtractions. Okay. I just click 6 and then subtraction, what symbol? Minus symbol. Yes. And then I want to click 3. So we need that answer. So see equal to, what the answer? 3. Yeah, it's appear in the screen. Okay. Next close it and make your next sum. Yes, 9. I just want to click 9. Click minus symbol. Yes, it's appear. And then next click 5. We need that answer. So equal to, click equal to. So answer is appear in the screen, display in the screen. Okay. Next again close it. Move to next sum. 10. Yes, minus symbol, click, and then 6. We need answer, so equal to, click equal to, the answer will display in the screen. Okay, 4. The answer, what the answer? The answer is 4. Now let me do it in the multiplication symbol. Okay, 6 multiplication symbol, into symbol, just click it. Okay, and then again I want to give 2. We need that answer, no? So click equal to. So answer is 12. Okay. And next sum, I just want to click 4. Again into symbol, click into symbol. Okay. And next I want to just click 6. So we need that answer. Click equal to, what the answer? 24 is displayed in the screen. Okay. And next close it and move to next sum. Now let we do in a division symbols. Okay, use division symbols and do the sum. So I just want to click 3, division symbol, click, and then again 3. So we need that answer for that sum. So click equal to, yeah, answer, we got that answer 1. Clear? Close it. And next one more sum. 6 divided symbol equal 3 is equal to 2. Yeah, we got answer. Okay, like this way you may just do it and use the calculator for calculations. And next let me see how to draw and paint in computer. Okay, once you open your computer, the desktop will be appear like this. In the desktop, what operating system you're just using in your computer will be appear. Okay, in a down, a taskbar is there. In that, search icon is there. You may just click it and then type paint for P. First letter you may just type P. Okay, the P, whatever n number of words is there, it will be appear in here in that screen. Okay, and then the paint, you may just click a paint. Okay, the paint is visible there, right? You may just click a paint. Okay, it will be visible. It's the screen will be appear on the screen monitor. Okay, in that paint application page, okay, the icons in the title bar, the icons are displayed, right? Okay, what are the icons? That is a save. First one is save. If you want to save any files, whatever you are doing, if you want to save, you may just click the save button and then save it in your computer. Okay, and the next, undo and redo. Okay, if you want to delete something, okay, you may just undo. Okay, if you want to again you get it back, you may just click redo. Okay, the 2 arrows are denoted undo and redo. Next, file. You may just click a file. In that you may have a n number of options. Okay, and next, that is a shapes. Okay, that is a tools, pencil, and then a background colors, canvas colors. Okay, and the next, A symbols is denoted the text, whatever you want to type in your below or under the picture or headings, you want to use it. And that is a color picker. Pick a color from the picture and use it for a drawing. Okay, and next, types of brushes. Okay, in that there are a variety of brushes we are having in that painting option. Okay, the first one is watercolor. Okay, and the next, yeah, crayon. Okay, and then a marker, and then natural pencil. Okay, and then airbrush. Okay, calligraphy brush. Okay, calligraphy pencils. Okay, like that way we are having. Okay, next let we type a kind many shapes in that paints is there appear. Okay, if you want to diamond, line, rectangle, triangle. Okay, and then rounded rectangle, polygon, triangle. Okay, pentagon, hexagon, up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. Okay, and then 4-point star, 5-point star. Okay, cloud symbol, 6-point star. Like that, many shapes are available in that paint. Whatever you want, you may just take it and then shape it and then color it. Okay, and this is a outline. Okay, and then outline and the fillet and then sizes. Okay, the border sizes and then colors. Whatever colors you want is there, you may just select the colors and then color it. Okay, and the next, if you want to edit in that 3D effect, you may just edit your picture. Okay, there is a n number of options are visible in that painting. Okay, you may just use it. And now I tell you how to use shapes to draw. Okay, first click a rectangle shape. Okay, you may just click a left click in your mouse and then drag it. Okay, it will be appear in the screen. Okay, and the next, again one more time, just click rectangle. Okay, how many rectangles you may want, you may just again and again, you may just click and drag in the screen. Okay, click left button in the mouse and then drag. Okay, the shapes would be appear in the screen. Okay, each time, see, if you want to two times, if you make it in the triangle or rectangle, whatever shapes patterns, it depends on the patterns designs. Each time you just click the shapes and then drag it. Okay, just I am clicking rectangle and then drag it and then doing in the screen. Okay, again yeah, it's done. Now I just want to fill color in that shapes. Okay, I just want to click that backdrop color. Okay, that canvas, that bucket, that icon is visible in there, right? You may just click it and then color. I just click the red color. Yeah, the first layer is fill it, and the next yellow, second layer. Yeah, good. And next I'm just clicking, I just want to, yeah, orange. Yeah, good. And next blue. Yeah, done. How it's look like? Yeah, next green, and then next maroon. Okay, see, if you want to draw like this, you may draw it. I mean, whatever designs you want to make it in that screen. And if you now we want to save it, right? Hardly we done, so we need to save this file. So what you should do, you may just click left file icon. Okay, there is then save button. You may just click it, and then in your screen it will display what, in which document you need to save. You may just select it and then save it, whether you want to save it in a desktop or document, downloads, music, picture, where you want to save it, save it. Okay, now I'm just want to save into the document. Okay, I'm just want to save in document, so I'm just typing paint, PAINT, and ING, painting. Yeah, click save. Yeah, it's done. See, one more picture again you want to draw means, you may just click file and then new is appear, right? You may just click it, you will get new file, new screen. Okay, in that whatever you want to draw. Now I just use that pencil and then I'll teach you how to draw. Okay, click a pencil, whatever shapes you want to draw it in the screen. Okay, I'm just scribbling here, you may draw well. Okay, and next I'm using the brush. I'm just try to draw tree. And next I'm selecting another. Okay, I just want to draw house. So, and next I just want to give color for this. Okay, so again I'm just want to select backdrop color. Yeah, I'm just selecting green. I'm just try to fill it, and then next blue, and go for blue. Yeah, good. See, like this way, whatever colors you want to fill it, you may just utilize. Okay, My dearies, once you are getting a free time, you may just utilize like this. Okay, whether if you're having laptop or system in your home, at home, you may just use it. Okay, and then now we just want to save it, right? Again, get into file, save my creation. Okay, I'm just saved in a picture document. Okay, I'm just typing my creation and then click save. And once you are done your work, you may just close it. Okay, my dearies, did you all enjoy this sessions? I hope so. See, you may just practice at home. Okay, whatever doubts you're having, you just make a call to me. Okay, it's time to zooming out, and then bye, take care, thank you.